後來鄉親繼續來看有關到中東的戰爭。川普在台灣時間今仔日早起，在北京發表着全國的演講。川普講，過去4禮拜，美軍在戰場得到快速壓倒性的勝利，未來3禮拜內將會發動非常猛的攻擊，要把伊朗拍回石器時代。
看看走向港台，美國總統川普在北京針對伊朗戰爭狀況來發表全國演說。
As we speak this evening, it's been just 1 month since the United States military began Operation Epic Fury, targeting the world's #1 state sponsor of terror, Iran.
川普在演說內底強調，伊朗已經去拍甲密密麻麻，海軍和空軍嘛全部消滅，飛彈和無人機系統嘛攏害去，講美軍已經得到勝利。
I can say tonight that we are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly. We are going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong.
川普真濟擺講到，伊朗絕對袂當有協議。當時經體前幾任美國總統講甲歸本期做無一湯匙，認為家己打動針，嘛強調伊朗政府活人化，新的政府較好講話，嘛當時指出恐具威脅。
If there is no deal, we are going to hit each and every one of their electric generating plants very hard and probably simultaneously. We have not hit their oil, even though that's the easiest target of all.
川普講和伊朗當佇咧協商，不過對伊朗主動求和的講法，和伊朗當局聽不落去。
سخنگوی وزارت امور خارجه اعلام کرد اظهارات ترامپ درباره درخواست آتش بس از سوی ایران کذب و بی‌اساس است.
伊朗最高領袖穆吉塔巴佇咧上新的報文內底，責備美國和以色列糟蹋人命。伊朗總統裴澤斯基安嘛佇咧和美國人的公開批內底指出，美伊戰爭對美國無好處。
And we are going to finish the job, and we're going to finish it very fast. We're getting very close.
美伊戰火特別將戰，帶動各市衝關關，道瓊標普500和納斯達克等美國指數一和收紅，顯示市場信心等慢慢回升。
Hello， 我是蔣新梅，想要搶先掌握最及時的新聞資訊嗎？趕快訂閱、按讚、開啟小鈴鐺，鎖定華視新聞 YouTube 頻道。